Fuck you!咁係咩啊？你知道麥當勞邊個寫㗎啦？又會知你啦！
先殺手有方力申。
大家好，講下小方妹整咩就得啦，係啊。所以我今日問你 AI，叫 AI 幫我整個。
Oh my gosh!
It's the return of the tramp who do a duet jam with Ernest go to camp for the right earn. Know what I mean? Like burn. We need some more oil.
You're not in the right
Indicate
lane.
you yeah, thank you.
Dumbass. Fucking hell.
She's a blonde lady. He's a Nigerian fella. I quite like him.
I've only seen him in the ads.
So anyway, they put Alyssa with this other guy who is quite impressive, this track and field guy. And Alyssa said this about her relationship with David.
You been this place before, or?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
What she went to.
Oh, fucking weird.
Where did they come from?
From over that way.
Like an idiot.
Oh.
You didn't come around the.
No, he didn't come
roundabout.
around, he came across. So yeah, I was lucky that
He's one of the ones that the cops are after.
Yeah.
They had a massive blitz around our area.
There's another one, there's two of them zooming in and out of traffic, doing wheelies and shit.
Yeah,
Fucking idiots.
I think they're tough.
It's all on dash cam. Not seeing
Yeah.
it at all. Fucking idiot.
Oh, you absolute dickhead. Are you fucking kidding me?
A few moments later.
Why are people like this? Oh my god, why are people like this?
7 ideas. Where's this guy going? Hey? What's all this fuckwit? Hey, Dash Cans Australia. Safety training.
Yeah.
Oh, straight up. My fucking alley.
Wow.
What a moron.
Oh, Jesus.
You can't.
River 949's Easter weekend.
Wanker.
Rally car on shoulder. Do you reckon we can make it to Noosa on
What is this cunt doing? Cunt's a fucking wanker.
What deep below? I know, but I know. Continue on Brisbane Road for 1.5 kilometres.
Can't